Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This time I have an unboxing for you and it's my first fall unboxing. Being around lately, but I just had a lot of schoolwork but still I would like to keep doing my videos, which is something that I love to do, especially with handbags and unboxing. So here you go. This is a unboxing, and today's unboxing it's going to be a Saint Laurent unboxing, and try to guess what it is. I ended up discarding all the boxes most of the time. All right, so it's nicely wrapped. I'm really surprised because usually my boutique, most of the essays that I get don't really wrap up, any Saint Laurent bags like this. So I'm surprised, and I liked it. I like it. So let me see. Let me show you. Okay, this is the dust bag, and the bag that I got was the camera bag in the suede. A little bit more why I got this bag. I had this bag on a look since last year, but then I tried it on with the black suede with gold, and at that time I was like, should I get that one or this one? But I like this brown bag because of for fall. And also another one that was on my mind was the black leather with black YSL logo that looked very low-key but very chic, very kind of like rock and roll style. At the end I was like, oh, I love this suede for fall, and I don't have any other bag that's really a suede in this color. I used to have the college bag, and for those who haven't seen the college YSL bag in suede, there is going to be a link for you to see it, but that college YSL handbag was damaged. I saw it on one edge that was ripped, so I took it back to Nordstrom and I returned it. So anyway, that was my story. More versatile. You need to be more careful in a suede material bag because of stains and everything. So I might have to really be careful with that. I really prefer the leather one instead of the suede, but how can you say no to a beautiful suede? Let me take everything out and we will put some of the stuff. So I have my mini pochette, a pencil case, glasses, 6-key holder, brush. If a 16 ounces bottle of water will fit inside. Oh yeah, nice and easy. Do a comparison with the other handbags that are very similar to this one. Guys, so I have here a Prada camera bag that I got recently during my trip to Florida, but this has a double zipper. I think it's called the double zipper camera bag, and this has just one, but you can see that the Prada bag it's a little bit thicker and bigger, it fits a lot of stuff. And the difference is that it has this part of the strap for your shoulder. It's so beautiful. I really like it for traveling. All right, I think it's so beautiful. Visit my Poshmark account, and my username is HaruLove, which I sell my bags, especially bags that are very limited to find, especially LV bags and other handbags. Much smaller, okay, well, a little bit more smaller actually, I think. See? All right. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give a thumbs up, and follow me on Instagram. Bye bye.